Aggregate Degradation Proficiency samples 9 and 10 are currently being processed and packaged for shipping. The samples will be shipped to you on January 22, 2026. Please note that Sample 9 and Sample 10 are shipped in separate boxes and will most likely arrive a few days apart. Please treat these samples as you would treat typical testing samples that were brought into your laboratory. Upon receipt, carefully open the boxes and check to see if the samples were damaged in shipment or if they are missing a component. Use caution when opening the boxes, as a box cutter style knife may puncture the sample bags inside. If you receive samples that are damaged or missing a portion of a size fraction, please contact us immediately. For degradation rounds 9 and 10, there will be 2 different bags of material in each sample box. Bag 1 will contain a mixture of coarse aggregates that is 100% passing the 19mm 3/4 inch sieve to material that is retained on the 2.36mm number 8 sieve. The 2.36mm number 8 material found in this bag will be used for the fine aggregate micro duval. Bag number 2 will contain 2.5 kilograms of fine aggregate in moist condition that is 100% passing the 2.36mm number 8 sieve. Each bag of material will need to be oven dried and washed in accordance with AASHTO T11 or ASTM C117 and then sieved into size fractions in accordance with AASHTO T27 or ASTM C136. Finally, all pertinent information such as sample instructions, data sheets, and safety data sheets can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the data sheets and instructions page. Thank you for your commitment to quality, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.